Hello, everyone. Welcome to the lecture series on health management. We discussed that evolution of management theories can be divided into 5 major approaches: historical background, classical approach, quantitative approach, behavioral approach, and contemporary approach. In this session, we will discuss the quantitative approach in management and how the concept of operations research evolved in management. At the beginning of World War II, Great Britain desperately needed to solve a number of new, complex problems in warfare. The British formed the first operational research team, or team, by pooling the expertise of mathematicians, physicists, and other scientists. The British were able to achieve significant technological and tactical breakthroughs with the help of mathematical calculations and predictions made by that team. When the Americans entered the war, they also formed operations research teams, based on the successful British model, to solve similar problems. The teams used early computers to perform the thousands of calculations involved in mathematical modeling. When the war was over, the applicability of operations research to solve the problems in industry gradually became apparent. Increasingly, operations research specialists were called on to help managers come up with answers to these new problems. Over the years, operations research procedures were formalized into what is now more generally called the management science school.